What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and check it out. We've got all of the new PS5 faceplates, but this time we've got them for the Slim Edition. Now, we first got a glimpse of these at CES, but now they're finally in the studio. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna unbox these. And since the PS5 Slim has 4 different sections that we can cover, maybe we try a few different combinations. I don't know who's gonna buy multiple faceplates, but let's try it out and see. Not to mention, we've also got the controllers here too. Now, we do have them in the new volcanic red, cobalt blue, and sterling silver. You should have just called it platinum or something. And there's like platinum trophies. Anyway, which colors are we opening first, guys?
The blue.
Okay, cobalt blue. We made a choice this time. Which one we doing first, y'all? All right, I guess I'll pick. All right, we're gonna start off with the controller. Oh man, okay. Dang, that's nice. So the first thing I wanna call out, these have like a metallic finish to them. So they've got some like shimmer. It looks really clean. But I will say this one is teetering between like blue and purple. Like it's definitely blue, but at certain angles, it kind of looks purple, but it's absolutely blue. Like you can see it in the back here. It's like a navy blue or cobalt blue, whatever. It looks really good. Now we do have all of the previous official PlayStation controllers, so we'll do some side-by-side comparisons, but this blue looks dope. I would use this as like a main controller. This color looks awesome. Now the controllers are gonna be 75 bucks. That's the price of any PS5 special color, I guess, besides the white and the black. Those are 70. Every other color is 75. Let's move on to the faceplates. Okay, got some paperwork here. Now with the PS5 Slim, they have 4 different sections. Hold on. Is this 5? Now, do they give you an extra one in case you have the disc version? So this is for the disc. Yeah, and these are all just the other pieces. So if you have the digital one, you don't have to worry. So it covers all of the bases. That's actually kind of nice. Okay, that's actually pretty dope because when it comes to the regular PS5, not the Slim version, they sell them separately. So you'll have to buy faceplates for the digital version or buy faceplates for the disc version. With the Slim, you get everything. And all of the plates for the PS5 Slim are gonna be going for about 60 bucks. All right, now, I gotta say, this is such a good looking color, but it also teeters between that blue and purple, depending on the angle. I like it though. Now let's go ahead and pop these off. All right. So many plates. Wait a second. Has this always been the case? Inside of the plates, there is an X, square, circle, and triangle. I just saw the X here, but I guess it didn't really stand out with the white, but with the blue, it's really easy to see. And boom. So check it out, you guys. This thing looks fabulous. That is a good looking system. I'm all in Dom shot, my bad, man. I'm just trying to admire this thing. You get purple, right? Yeah. From the side, it really looks purple, but when you got light directly on it, it does look blue. So this is like a bit of a mix. Now, I don't know if you guys noticed this, but it's all the same texture. Oh, this thing is a hazard, man. Look what it did to the PS5 plate. I gotta take this off. Why am I still wearing it, right? I'm gonna switch today. If you guys didn't see my short on that Oura ring, that stealth version, go check that out. Destroys tech, apparently. The others are fine. The stealth though, don't get that. Anyway, what I was trying to show you guys is that the original came with 2 different finishes. You can see one is glossy and one is not, but this is what came in the box. But now with these new plates, it's all the same finish, so it looks way more uniform, and that is reason enough to want to grab one of the new colors. But now, volcanic red. Ooh. All right, y'all. The volcanic red is my current favorite. I would use this as like a main controller. This color looks awesome. My goodness, that looks good. And I like that there's no confusion here. We're not looking at like one of those cosmic reds or the pink that's over there. There's no confusing that this is a red controller. Still has that nice metallic finish, but this looks good. They both look really good. It's like Charizard versus Blastoise over here, but Charizard always wins. So I do think I like the red more. All right, let's throw these on. While we do this though, let's have some fun with it. Okay, little red and blue action. Now I feel like if you're gonna do some kind of combo, silver is probably like that base that you want to add. I don't know if red and blue is exactly it.
I like it.
You like it, Jay? Okay, okay. Dom?
It's pretty cool.
All right. So color me wrong. This is like, you know, a Spider-Man edition over here.
Oh, yes.
Just throw a spider sticker right here and you're good to go. We'll throw up some B-rolls so you guys can see like other combos with this red and blue, but there you have it. Now though, we need to do all red. Nah, you guys, this right here, valid. I am not even a red guy, but I like this a lot. So this is my current favorite. What?
No, you're gonna change pretty soon. What's the next current favorite?
All right, so this is my current favorite. Let's try Sterling Silver. Also, I'm dubbing it Platinum. Okay, this is nice. Okay, so now we've got Sterling Silver. It looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie, but I'll tell you right off the bat, it's got a hint, it's a really cool silver. So it's got like hints of blue in it almost. All right, so let's swap out some of these plates. I'm gonna go for the bottom. Ooh, I told you with silver at the bottom it was gonna look clean. That's nice.
That gives me Pokeball.
Oh, Jay, you're right, but that's Nintendo, bro. No. This is definitely Pokeball vibes. I see it. You got the black line over here too. Oh man. Oh, that's reason enough to keep that. All right, now I know we got to see the whole thing, but I need to see it with the blue as well. Oh, blue looks really good too.
Great ball.
A great ball. All right, so with B-roll, we'll show you guys a bunch of other combinations with the Sterling Silver. And there we have it. So, okay. Now this looks like a PlayStation. So it's fun to have all the colors. Obviously that's great. But if you're trying to go for something that feels like a PlayStation, kind of on the lines of that PS1, this is what you want. You know, it's got real PlayStation vibes here. And I'm for that. And boom, check that out. Now this is actually tough for me. I don't know what I'm gonna pick. I will say I'm leaning red, but we got nothing red in this place. Where's that gonna go? All right, so we'll decide. Maybe we'll do a combo, like Jay said, Pokeball version. I don't know, we'll figure it out. But these are the new colors over here. And just so we can see how it stacks up with some of the old colors, we got the white, purple, red, pink, blue. Actually, you know, you kind of have it like this, and just imagine like a black controller down there. So that's actually a pretty clean setup for the controllers. Got a couple more special editions over here. All right, I'm liking this. Now, we covered this in our previous PS5 video, but there's also little plates that you can use to change out the bottom of your PS5 controller. You can pick one of those up and customize it even more. But this is cool, like aesthetically, you got something going on over here. But that about wraps it up, guys. Let me know if you're purchasing one of the new plates, the new controllers. Me, even as somebody who's not crazy about red, this is my winner. Oh, but the blue, but the red. Dom, what's your favorite color here?
Silver.
This.
Looks like Robocop. I like it.
Ooh, Jay?
Blue.
Blue, okay. Oh, look at us. Variety in the studio. Love it.